In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Natwest credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you apply for an account on Natwest, you will also have the ability to apply for a credit card. Once you do, and if you are approved, it is going to get attached to your Natwest account. Using the Natwest credit card is very straightforward. After you acquire the physical card with all the details in there, you will get instructions on how to activate it either by going to a branch or by doing the process online through the online banking section. And as long as you have the card number, the security code, and expiration date at hand, you will be able to make payments in store or online. After you are done receiving and activating the physical card, you can also manage it through the online banking website like I mentioned, or the mobile banking app. I highly recommend that you download the mobile banking app for Natwest if you haven't done so already, because in there, it makes it very convenient to manage and use your card. When you download the app, you will be able to register for mobile or online banking, and after you have an ID and password, you will find all of your accounts linked in there. Tap on the specific credit card account that you would like to manage, and immediately you will see plenty of options. As you can see on screen, you will have plenty of functions when it comes to using your Natwest credit card. From the mobile app, you can add it to an Apple or Google Wallet. That way you can make payments with Google Pay or Apple Pay in store or online whenever it is available as a payment method. You can freeze your card in the case of it getting stolen or you need to manage your expenses. You can do card payment controls, setting up specific scheduling or flexibility towards a month. You can see all the details about the card, and you have other options related to if your card is lost, stolen, or if you need a replacement card. Like I mentioned previously, the mobile app is wonderful when it comes to managing your card, and it's a must-have for anyone who is using a Natwest credit card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Natwest credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.